All right, let's talk about ways that you can connect with quantum healing this week. The first session that you can connect with, these are group settings. So I work on more than one person at a time. Therefore, they require a lesser energy exchange to get incredible results. So take advantage of these. They're private. Nobody's exchanging energy with you except for us one-on-one. It's like a one-on-one session, but because my resources can be split between multiple people at a time, it's a lot less to connect with these sessions than one-on-ones. So first one is mold, fungus, and candida. This energy can anchor into your body, create imbalances for you. And a lot of people are exposed to this energy within their home and they're not aware. And it can really bring down your vibration. The goal of our work together is to release the root cause of why this energy can anchor into your body to begin with. And essentially we become immune to this energy. We're no longer resonating or aligning with this, and so it can't stick. I've had amazing reviews from clients saying that even after future exposures to mold, they don't feel like it's causing problems like it used to in their bodies because it can't anchor into anything. And you can also sign up your property for this session. We do the same thing where we release the root cause of density in your home or your workplace, wherever you want to clear, of why this energy can anchor in. I still encourage you to address the root cause of why you have leaks or mold in your home. Don't just let it go, but this can help balance that physical energy in your home and make it more hospitable to the inhabitants. Next session is courting and attachments. We all have these. We could have thousands and thousands of them. You walking down the street, walking through a mall, people can be cooking and connecting into your energy and essentially feeding off of you. These are parasitic practices. A cord is an energy opening that allows for an energy exchange, whether you know it or not, whether you consent or not. If the cord is there, that energy can flow. We can have cords to our ancestors, cords to entities, cords to other timelines or past lives that are pulling us down. The whole goal in this is to release these so we can rise up and be free. Set ourselves free. And I shared a potent or a powerful message on this a few days ago. See if I can find it. Here we go. All right, let's go over to screen share and I'll show this beautiful graphic and beautiful download that I received about this. So we can only rise as high as our lowest vibrational aspect. Many have cords and fractals stuck in lower densities, allowing chaos energy to anchor into their being. In other terms, energies like bioweapons, EMFs, toxins, parasites, entities can all attach in these areas. The key to ascension involves reclaiming all parts of ourselves so we can become a whole unified light body. This entails traversing into the depths of our shadow. When we are whole, nothing from lower timelines can touch us, and we truly become free. The depths we've traveled into the shadow is a direct reflection of how high we can rise in the light. And this was a beautiful representation made by Lumina, showing these cords and attachments tethering us to these lower hell timelines, hindering us from rising higher. In the cording and attachment session, we work on releasing all of these chains, these cords, these connections, binding us into the lower so we can rise to the higher. This session also covers ties. So if you've had any sexual contact with anybody and you have not intentionally in depth worked to release all of your cords and soul ties, you are still connected to that person. This may be why you find it difficult to get away from them. And you keep looping back into these destructive patterns in your relationships because you're still corded to this energy and it's still siphoning from you and pulling you back. We truly become free when we release all the cords and ties. So this session is powerful, potent. It's one of the top sessions that clients need when I do free assessments. If you don't know where to start, you can always request a free assessment. For my existing clients, I would request that you extend a small energy exchange to keep the free assessment in balance. Happy to provide the service, and I've currently built it into all my other sessions, but if you just send a little bit of gratitude to compensate my time for doing your assessment. It's very, very minimal, like 2 minutes of energy exchange for an assessment. And that keeps everything in balance so that I can keep offering them without draining myself. Let's go into the chat. And we have enough energy exchange to do another live clearing. So good job. You guys are doing this. As soon as I released the information about the huge transformation in energy exchange with my business, that it was going to be in balance, a lot of clients panicked and they pulled back and they said, oh my gosh, we don't know how to do this. This is scary. We're all learning together. It's okay. Take a breath. We've got this. You've got this. Look at this. It only took us one time last week where we didn't get enough energy balance exchange to do any live clearings last week. But here you are. Look at you. We're doing it today. You're able to support the flow, free flow of energy of exchange through the podcast. So give yourself so much credit. We are learning and shifting together, and you're doing it. So if you gave me permission to connect, let's see. I'm checking who has a balanced enough energy exchange with me to do a live clearing, and if you gave me permission. So Terry, thank you. Connecting with you for a live clearing. What can I do to support you in balance with our energy exchange today? All right, so your body says, sovereignty alignment with the divine. I'm ready to connect to source on a higher level to support me in reaching my highest timeline. I would be more than honored to support you with that, Terry. And there's a lot of inner child keeping you stuck in lower timelines. And so this is part of what we're going to shift for you. Releasing those cords and attachments to this lower part of you where your inner child is connected to these traumas still. And you're ready to break free of that so that you can let go and come up into higher alignment with the divine. So beautiful. Thank you for allowing me to support you and in a balanced energy exchange. Love it.